Okay, grade 4s, yesterday we did the beginning of data handling. So I'm going to send you some of the answers for number 1 and 2. And then today we are going to see how to present data in different ways. Example. You know what? Different ways just basically means what we've been doing till now. So we can do it in tally tables, normal picture graphs, or graphs. There's only 3 ways. Any type of table also. Like you can just literally write down the stuff. For example, here. This is also a way to present data. It's just the information that you have collected. So in week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, this is what this person has done in the past few weeks. It's not always easy to understand data this way. Like I said before, if I would ask 100 children what flavor ice cream they like and write down child number 1, child number 2, and write down the flavor ice cream, or even in a group ask them by putting their hands up. By the time I get to number 90, I already have forgotten what the first few children said. But putting it all on a table and saying 50 children like ice cream and 20 like vanilla, then at least I have a better understanding, and then you can all see it at once. Because yeah, it's all jumbled up. I mean, what's happening here? You have to go look. Where is TV and where is that? You know, stuff like that. It's very complicated. But now we put it in a special table. This is not a tally table or anything. This is just a normal table where we collected the information. Laura's TV watching diary. Remember, every table and graph should actually have a heading. Week 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is how many hours she watched. We can then turn this into a tally table by making the actual tallies for 7, 10, 9, and 8 hours. Or we can make it a picture graph by drawing little television sets and maybe drawing 7 TVs or 10 TVs, or each TV represents 2 hours, something like that. So there's many different ways you can do it. Exercise 26.2, we are going to tackle that one today. So here we can show the data about Laura's TV watching as a bar graph. And then you can compare these 3 bar graphs to that one, which one has been done correctly. So when we present the data and interpret data, sometimes we just have to analyze it and look. Let's see, are the hours correct? Are the weeks correct? So by all of them, we can see, oh, this one looks wrong already because the weeks are that side and the hours are that side. So it's easy to spot the mistakes when you put it in a proper graph or table. Then, now I'm on page 130, number 2. We're going to read the pie chart carefully and say whether the statements are false and rewrite them so that they are true. So today we're not drawing many things. We're just looking, thinking, and analyzing the data. Then number 3, there are some learners about sports. So here I've got the sports, here I've got the number of learners, and then you can see from the data how you would answer your questions. For example, who liked netball and soccer and fewest and popular and stuff. So it's not that difficult. Here at number 4, we have to draw a bar graph. So when we get there, I will help you. And number 5, Palesa drew up this table to summarize her data. So food that she asked and students who chose their favorites. And again, for number 5, what do you think she's trying to find out? How many learners did she ask, etc., etc.? And then number 6, use the information in the table to draw a pictograph. Ooh, that could be fun. The heading of your pictograph should be foods we eat most often. Choose your own pictures to show the data. So when we get there, I will also help you. So this is all that we're doing for today.